to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out a dip recipe, and I'm participating in another collaboration, and this is for Super Bowl snacks and finger foods. So I will leave that hashtag so you can check out all the rest of the delicious Super Bowl recipes, but this is my contribution, and this is a chili cheese dip. And this is one that my sister gave me, and I don't know where she got it from or if she created it or what. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make it because the first time I tried it, it looked super bizarre. And then I tasted it, and it's one of those things that like, you just wanna keep eating. So I'm gonna share it with you. So if you wanna see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So for this 2-ingredient recipe, you're going to need a block of cream cheese and a can of chili, a 1-to-1 ratio. And I have found that the Nally brand really is the best for this recipe. I've tried a bunch, even homemade chili, and really this is just the best one. And all you do is just combine those together and melt it down until it becomes one. It takes about 5-10 minutes, and that's it. This is just a really easy, delicious dip recipe. And you can season it, you can leave it. I did pepper and garlic salt in this one, but that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I hope you guys have a great Super Bowl weekend. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.